Okay, figure out what's going on here with our oil pump. See, it doesn't want to come off, so let's find out what's going on with it. Get over a vise, we can tap on it. There's no clip, so it should come off. It comes off when it wants to, but not when you want it to. So somewhere's a high spot. It doesn't appear to be on the gear, it's on the shaft. Yeah, somewhere on that shaft is a high spot. Okay. See, it's got the clip on this side, so let's check our clip fitment. Got a high spot on the gear down there too. It's a keyway burr in there. There's a burr right there, obviously. Okay, and there's something down here on this end too. So I can external hone this, or I can sand it with a stone. So I'm going to try using the stone first. So I'm just rotating across the stone face. This is not the same as external hone, but it should knock off a fine high spot. And we'll go over here and do this side too. Figuring it's over here by the keyways, my guess. You can see the high spot right there. So somebody tried to beat the shaft out with a this way with the key still in it. Doesn't work. Wonder if they figured that out. Okay, it's a lot freer than it was. Still something digging right on the edge. I like that being 180 from the keyway, so I move it down a little bit to clip. Feel it dragging a little bit on that way. Flip to 180, try it again. Still dragging. Yeah, it's the key doing it. Okay, what do we got down here? Okay, we still got that high spot in here. So whatever it is down here, it's still there. You can hear it hitting on it. Okay, I don't want to keep sanding on this thing without knowing what I'm doing, so we're gonna get an external hone and hone on it. So this should be 1/2 inch, I think. Come on. Nope, it's for 7/16. Great. Okay, let's go see if we can find an external hone I can use on this. It's going to get dirty, so get the dirty rag out. Okay, so should be 3 of them laying over here. Right down in that box right there. Okay, this one goes down to 1/2 inch. Let's see if we can make it go all the way down to 7/16. Got a ways to go. We made it. Okay, that's going to cut the hell out of my hand if I don't put a rag right there. It's going to do that. And we're just going to go like this. Tighten it up a little bit. Not that much. keeps spinning in my hand, so. Definitely something down there high. So all I need to do is put this in the lathe and hold it better. So let's go do it correctly. Well, still not correctly on the right holder, but yeah, close enough. These external hones come in really handy, but they're really expensive too. Oh well. Life in a big city. Okay. Dab of oil right there, just for the hell of it. Pulsing kind of went way low, so probably knocked it down. There you go. No more problem. What's nice about the hone is it's nice and round and clear. It's not stony. You're only going to cut one spot on the circle, so it leaves facets in there. And a lot of times you can't even see what you did because it hones the whole surface, but you can see there's a little nick right there. That's a low spot. Usually if you have a low spot, there's a high spot nearby, so when you see a low spot, that's probably the high spot. Alright, well either way now it works nice and free, just like it's supposed to. Right down there, get a little high spot down there. Yeah, that's what that keyway is. It's not really a problem because the key goes in there and it slides right on, so I'm not going to worry about it. Alright, let me get all cleaned up, we'll be back.